Hi everyone, my name is Sherry from HandmadeU. I would like to say thank you so much for purchasing one of our printables. There's a few things that I want to show you so that you can have success with your printable. First and foremost, when you go to Etsy, you're going to download a PDF file that looks something like this. It's going to have a sample of an image of one of the items that you purchased. There'll be a link here for the template. Excuse me. There's a link here. If you need to create a Canva account, you can click this link. And if you do that, both you and I will receive a credit for a premium element. I actually have a pro account, so I get the premium elements already because I pay for the pro account. So really, I just wanted to share this with you so that you have the option of getting an element for free. And then now here, there's a link here for the Canva tutorial, and this is what you're watching. So I'm glad that you found it. And please follow us on social media so that you can keep up with any new ideas that we put out for appreciation, any new products, printables, etc. Our mission is to inspire creativity in others. And if we can provide tools to help you get creative with your recognition, then we are all for it. All right, so if you've made it this far already, you got your document, then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the template. Once you get here, the screen will come up saying this design was shared with you and ask you if you want to use the template. So go ahead and use the template. This will open the template up as a copy of the document in Canva. When it copies it, it actually will save it in your Canva files. So a couple things that I want to point out. You can change these fonts if you don't love them. All you do is click on the font, and then you can come up here and you'll see what it is. And you can go ahead and change it to any font that is available to you. Please note these little crowns. If you do not have a Canva Pro account, these would be considered as elements that you would have to pay for. So you can change the font to whatever you want. Oh, not that. Okay, let's say you want to change it to that. You can totally do that. You can change the color by coming right here and just selecting whatever color you want it to be. And you can also add text. So you can click on text and you can choose any of these options. You can change the size of this text by using the plus or the minus sign, or if you get into one of these corners, you can use your mouse to just make it smaller. So I'm just going to add really quickly, love Sherry. And we're going to go ahead and change that so that it at least matches the document. Now, I don't love green, but you may love green. And so if you're looking at it and you're like, oh, this muffins, I'm not feeling these muffins. You can also change the picture. So you want to go over to elements. And here's where you can search for anything that's in Canva. So you can search for muffin. Again, note the crown would be for the pro element, so you have to pay for those. So if you have the free account, you need to look for ones that are free. But let's say that I like this muffin with the strawberry on it. I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay. This muffin is encouraging me to change the font to to red. Ooh. All right, I at least feel like it matches more now. All right, so cool. So those are all of the things that you can do. So I hope that you found this video somewhat helpful. After you've done all your editing, if you're new to Canva, after you've done all your editing, you can click share and then you scroll down to download and you can download it as a PDF or a JPEG or a PNG file, whatever is most convenient for you. And then go ahead and print it as you normally would. For postcards this size, I do it in Word or like Publisher or even in Google, and I'll put 4 on a page. So, all right. Anyway, that's it. Have a good day. Good luck. If you have any questions or concerns, there's an email address on the digital download file. Feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you all. Bye.